Hello. As you listen to the sound of my voice, I invite you to feel very relaxed. Close your eyes and relax your body now. Take in a deep breath. Slowly inhale and then delicately exhale. Breathing very slowly yet deeply. Feeling totally relaxed. You feel so comfortable right now. You are feeling this peaceful feeling of being relaxed. This is a beautiful feeling that is coming over you. And as you hear the sound of my voice, imagine there is a joyful energy over your entire body. And now imagine there is a lavender energy that is coming in through the top of your head. You feel it in your head circulating. You feel it in your face, your ears, your mouth. You feel it in your neck, flowing beautifully through your head. This is a healing energy seeping into every part of you. This wonderful lavender healing energy is now going into your shoulders, down into your upper arms, down through your arms and straight into your fingers. You're feeling this warmth now. This energy feels so good, and you are feeling very relaxed. You are so relaxed, incredibly relaxed. This beautiful lavender energy is now in your tummy, and you feel it all the way through to your back. It's in your chest. It's moving down into your pelvis and abdomen, and it is causing your whole body to feel so good and so relaxed. This beautiful healing energy is circulating through your body. It circulates into every molecule of your being. This is feeling so beautiful. And now that lavender healing energy is going into your hips and now to your upper legs. And as it moves down, it moves through your knees and into the lower parts of your legs and all the way to the tips of your toes. Your whole body is totally relaxed, and you are feeling this warm lavender healing energy flowing through every part of you. This is one of the most beautiful feelings you have ever experienced. Now I invite you to visualize this healing energy as it is circulating all through your body. And you're feeling so good. You're visualizing this healing energy flowing through every part of you. It's flowing now through your head and down through every part of your body, and it cleanses every speck of your being. This feels like a spiritual cleansing you are experiencing, and it feels so good. It is such a wonderful feeling. You're so totally relaxed now, and you are feeling so good. I am going to count from 10 to 1, and every time I say a number, you will feel more relaxed and sink deeper and deeper into a relaxed state. Every time I count a number, you are going to go into a deeper, relaxed state. And it is an amazing feeling. You're going from 10 to 9, 8, 7, and now 6. This feeling is magnificent. And now you go from 5 to 4. What a wonderful feeling. 3, 2, 1. I want you to imagine that you are standing in front of a beautiful door. And in a moment, that door is going to open. And in your imagination, you are going to walk into a room of beautiful images. And it will be one of the most beautiful rooms you have ever been in. And you are totally relaxed. The door's now open, and you are stepping inside. You see yourself stepping into this beautiful room of images, and you immediately go to a very comfortable lounge chair, and you lay down and you relax. And you can look all around you, and everywhere you look, there is nothing but elegance and beauty. And you are so relaxed. And now, while you are in this relaxed state, I want you to choose to put your body into the most magnificent, healthy vibration you have ever been in. You have awesome powers within you. You are God's highest form of creation. And whatever you desire, it is yours. As you build the image and put it into your subjective mind, the entire universe rushes to your aid. You are one with the entire universe. You are aware of the awesome power that you have, and you are using it to create superior health in every part of your body. You have a strong urge to come back to this room of images often, and you can go there at will. In a heartbeat, you can put yourself into a room of images, and you'll be right back to where you are now. This is such a beautiful position to be in, and you have awesome powers. I want you to see healing energy flowing around and in your body. And as it flows, you feel the warmth, and it heals every part of your body. Every part of your body it touches, and it goes through your body, and everywhere it goes, it creates perfect health. You feel this often. You are so relaxed. The feeling you are experiencing is leaving you in a wonderful, healing vibration. You will bring this energy with you throughout the entire day and will continue to feel relaxed, and you feel completely healthy. You find that this feeling strengthens you. Your mind and your body are strong. This is something that you have mastered. You know how to create this feeling within you, and you do it with constant regularity. You have amazing awareness, and you truly are a powerful being. You feel so relaxed, and you feel so good. Feel it now. And now I'm going to count from 1 to 10. And as I do, I will ask you to slowly exit this magnificent room of images. You will get up and step back outside the door, and you'll take this wonderful energy with you. Every time I mention a number, you'll feel a wonderful energy. You will feel stronger, and you have an understanding that you are healthy, and you bring this with you throughout the entire day and night. I am going to count from 1 to 10, and you will feel this energy from all sides and in every part of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are now out of the room, and you're feeling that energy within you, and you love it. You love this feeling. 6, 7, 8. You are feeling a warmth in every part of your body. 9, 10. You have never felt happier or healthier. This is a beautiful feeling. You are feeling an absolutely magnificent feeling. You are directing the energy to flow throughout your body. You are in charge. This is your body. You are completely healthy. You are completely happy. And you are a master at this. You are choosing to direct your energy to this great feeling of perfect health. As you continue to feel relaxed and as you continue to feel healthy, you realize that you are in control. You are totally relaxed. You are going to come out of this in a moment, and you will find yourself in a very relaxed state. Just relax now. Totally relax. Know you are healthy, 100%, completely, totally healthy in every cell of your body. Know it and feel it. Slowly open your eyes and realize what a wonderful experience you created for yourself. Realize how happy you are, how healthy you are, and what a wonderful attitude you have. That healing energy will stay with you. You will continue to feel it. You created this. You are so relaxed, totally relaxed.